Here's a fun and easy way to include some greens in your diet. Start by chopping some spring onions, followed by green chilies, ginger, and fresh coriander leaves. Now take a bowl, add 2 eggs to it, whisk them well together, then add in the chopped ingredients to it. Mix them all together, then add in some turmeric powder, salt, black pepper powder and a teaspoon of water. Now heat some oil in a pan, add in the mixture, cover and cook well on one side and then flip it over, cook it on the other side. Finally, top it off with some black pepper powder and our spring onion omelette is absolutely ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. During the winters, there are a lot of green leafy vegetables around us, and it is one of my favorite ways to include the greens in my diet. I hope you liked it.